black-tailed deer. You went all the way through the tree.
Nicole, what are you so excited about?
I've been waiting all day to go to the beach.
William, you want to go to the beach?
Yeah!
Ruby Beach!
Hang on. Rosie, are we at Ruby Beach? Yeah. Kids are already out of here. Careful, boys, careful. I got pelted by rocks. Okay.
Hey, get ropes now!
Rosie, come to dad. Jump to me, run. Oh no, the water's coming. Got it. Got it, boss. Oh, William. William got soaked. Okay guys, we made it to Ruby Beach and it is beautiful. Seriously, what do you think, Mom?
Awesome. There's like tons of the rock haystacks out on the water. It's freezing cold, but that's not stopping the kids.
Yeah, Rosie, he got his feet in. It was freezing, huh, dude?
The bubbles come get you.
He is, ah! Check out these awesome haystacks. These big old rock structures, formations that are just been eroded away around them. Unfortunately, we're here at high tide. It would have been cool to see low tide action, but we'll take the beach any day of the week. Any time of the day, actually. The kids are loving it. That out there is called Destruction Island. There's a lighthouse out there. I don't know what that means, but it's pretty cool. A lot of people here enjoying the beach today. Lots of visitors. Rosie, did you find a fossil? That's what he calls rocks that he collects. They're all fossils. Can you throw it in the ocean? Oh, it made it!
Here comes the bubbles. Throw it, the bubbles.
Got it! Way to recycle those fossils back into the ocean. Ah, scary. Actually though, my kids could spend hours. They could spend days on the beach. Days on the beach. Didn't you tell the kids not to get wet?
Don't get your clothes wet, kids. Do you think they listen?
No.
I love the beach.
You love it? I love your shirt. I just hope I don't see any of those stay out of the water, Mom. Unless they're whales or dolphins.
Yeah.
Oh, Tatum went down.
It's so warm.
Mom's gonna beat you. Hey, Nicole, look at me. Oh, it's gross. Oh, disgusting. Get Nicole. Oh, she jumped it. So the reason why they call this place Ruby Beach is because of the ruby-like crystals in the sand. Unfortunately, we can't really show you too much of the sand because of the high tide.
All we see is rocks right now.
But it is so beautiful. Have you ever been to a beach like this?
No, I've never been to these colder beaches with the cliffs and the haystacks. Like, we're just Southern California beach people. And
Yeah.
so this is amazingly beautiful.
We're about to be all around beach type people though.
We're gonna see them all.
But this is so rocky. Check this out. Oh, look at that, guys. That's so awesome. This is what we're walking on. It's crazy because when the tide comes in, it pulls all these rocks back and it sounds like a bag of marbles. Dude, William just got drenched. You okay, buddy? Roswell, look at Daddy. Did the ocean take you out? Oh. Hold on, look at me. Oh, he's got sand. Mom, we gotta clean his face off. Would that mean ocean get you? He got taken out by a wave. Oh, poor guy.
He doesn't like it.
He doesn't like it. He doesn't want to get wet and sandy. You okay, Rosie?
It's in his eyes.
I know. William, get up! Guys, we gotta go! Did you guys have fun at the beach today?
Yeah.
Did you love Ruby Beach?
I mean, like, the man. Yeah. Did you record it?
I've recorded him falling a
He
couple
went
times.
like this. He like started falling down and he went like this and then it shoved him and he did Superman like all the way up to the beach.
I know, but I missed Roswell's. His was pretty bad. He got sucked. He got knocked down, and then the water was like pushing him out. He was having a rough time. He had sand all over his face. Okay, we gotta go, guys. We gotta go to the RV park.
Bye, Ruby Beach.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Throw it into the ocean. Made it. Okay guys, we finally made it to our resting spot tonight.
My gosh, we all got in the shower. It was like midnight.
Well, first of all, everybody had sand in their cracks.
We absolutely had to shower. The kids were soaking wet from the beach, and William, like, his entire body, every inch and crevice was coated in sand.
That TMI, we took off his underwear in the shower, and it looked like he had sand underwear on. That's how much sand.
Oh my
Don't
gosh.
ask me how that all got there.
So we're so tired. The motorhome's covered in sand, and we're just gonna
We
do our
pulled
best to
into
go
our
to sleep.
parking spot at like midnight. So.
Oh my gosh, no. It was like 11:05, maybe 11:10.
But we're here.
Showered.
We're parked. We're plugged in. We're ready to go to bed.
Let's go to bed, and we'll let you know how we're doing tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna sleep in actually. Liam, can you tell these guys good night?
Good night.
I have two facing this now.
Rosie, can you tell these guys good night?
Good night. And I'm just eating this ice cream.
He's eating ice cream.
Well, we got McDonald's like 3 hours ago, but he was asleep, so now he's having his dinner.
I'm having my ice cream.
Okay, eat your ice cream, would ya? We got Tay and Nicole already sleeping up there pretty much. Can you tell the Dyke Sam good night?
Good night.
Good night. Okay guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. We got some more adventures headed your way tomorrow, so check back with us. But as always, we love you guys and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out, Dyke fam!